Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And as you can tell by today's thumbnail, today's video is going to be about my online business essentials. And these are going to be items that I feel that you should have as soon as you start your online business. Because if you don't know already, I have an online hair extension boutique, which we sell hair, wigs, lashes, and also I'm going to be adding apparel. So I'm going to be telling you about the things that I had when I first started and things that you should also have when you first start your boutique. And also this video is not only going to be about hair, it's going to be about pretty much every industry. I want to do this video because I see that there's a lot of online businesses popping up now. And I just feel like this video will help you guys determine what is the bare minimum you'll need just to get started. So we're going to go over your social media pages, things that you need for shipping, and also things that you need for in-person sales. So if that interests you, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. The first thing that you absolutely must have when you're running your online business, it's simple, a cell phone. So this is what you're going to use to set up all of your social media accounts. So what you want to have, bare minimum, is a Facebook business account and an Instagram business account. That way people can like your page and stay up to date with the different offers that you have. And you can also run ads from these accounts. So a cell phone is number one, which most of us already have these. The second thing you'll need is a way to collect payments. So you can either collect payments online or you can collect them in person. So with collecting them in person, I have a Square reader and I also have a PayPal chip reader. Either way is good, but I just like to have both just in case people have different preferences. And also with the chip reader, it's a lot more safer because then you're not dealing with a lot of chargebacks since they put their chip in and then you can have them sign for it on your phone as well. And also one thing about Square and PayPal, once you have those accounts set up, it allows you to send invoices as well. So if you've seen the video that I did on hair business scams, you already know that I'm not a fan of Cash App. So I highly recommend that you go with either the Square reader, the PayPal reader, or send invoices. Cash App, no. Also, I recommend if you want to do Zelle with your close friends, that's fine as well. So the third thing you'll need to have is business cards. So this is what my business card looks like. It's pretty simple. It just has the business name, owner, our phone number, our email address, and my website. And then on the back, it has a 15% off code. So a lot of people say that business cards are out of date, but it really depends on the industry you're in. If you're like me and you sell hair, lashes, things where people might see you in person and ask you about it, the first thing I want to say is try to get them to follow you on Instagram or on Facebook right away. But if you're in a rush, it's always handy to give them a business card to where it already has your social media handles on it. One thing I like about the business cards and handing them out in person is that my code on the back helps me keep track of where everyone comes from. So I know if I give someone this card, I either seen them in person or at an event, and that special code will let me know exactly where I've seen them at. The fourth thing you'll need, especially if you plan on meeting people in person, you'll need some bags to put their items in. So what I have here, I have custom logo bags. It has my brand name on them and it's also in my brand's color. So even if you can't get bags like this with your logo on them, try and get it the same color as your brand so you can keep everything on trend. Yeah. And I'll put the link below of exactly where I got these bags from. So we'll start going into the shipping side of things. So I'm going to go over just some basic things you'll need if you want to ship things. And I have, first thing I have is bubble mailers. So these bubble mailers is what I put my eyelashes in, and you can get these from Amazon and they come in all different color and sizes. And I think for these you get like, I believe like 100 for maybe $30, $40. And this is a good option. And then I also have these mailers, which these are the 12.5 by 15.5. I'm going to open these up and show you exactly what they look like. So this is how big these are, these are pretty big. And I recommend these for if you have a clothing boutique or if you have a hair boutique. They fit a lot of stuff in these. Okay. So we're going to move along. So the next thing that I have is shipping paper. And I got these from Amazon as well. And they have, I'm going to pull one off for you. So these are shipping labels. They have the sticker on the back. And then the front is where you'll print your shipping label. So you can do, I do USPS, whichever shipping company you decide what they'll fit on these shipping mailers. And I'm going to drop the link to everything below. And also what you're going to want to get, and it's too big for me to hold up, which is a printer. And I'm going to show you exactly what my printer looks like. I actually have a Wi-Fi printer, but any printer will do. So when I print, I like to print out my packing slip and also print out the mailers, which I feel like you should print out some type of receipt, packing slip or something just to slip in with the customer, even if it's a thank you note. A lot of people have thank you cards, but if you don't have that, you can just write the thank you note on the receipt or on the packing slip. Either way, it's pretty good. The next thing you'll want to have is a shipping scale. So a shipping scale just makes everything a lot easier when it comes to shipping out your actual items, because you'll be able to weigh them and get a cheaper shipping rate. Because I know a lot of people go with the flat mail rate from USPS, which is, I believe it's like $7 now. But when you actually weigh the items and ship on first class mail, if you're selling smaller items like lashes, there's no reason for you to pay the $7. You might as well pay I believe for mine to ship out is like $3. So you'll need that actual shipping scale. And mine's is a Dymo shipping scale. And I'm going to post that also in the comments below. And also, if you haven't checked out my shipping video, I also have everything that I use to ship in that video. So you can check that out as well. The next thing I have is my binder, which this is where I keep track of my inventory, call logs, or just anything pertaining to my business to help me stay organized. So I'm going to show you something. It's just something simple like this. Then when you open it up, it has my inventory sheet. This is how I keep track of my inventory. So it just has everything that I offer. Then also it has my lashes on here. And it also has, let's see. Oh, I keep track of my call logs in here. And it has any important phone numbers that I might need. So that'll be for USPS. I have the phone number for Sezzle that I'll offer. Yep. So any binder, or if you have some notebooks, either or would do, just something to help you stay organized. So the next thing that I have is a ring light. So I'm actually filming on my ring light, but I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it. Then also I have a mini ring light. Okay, so this is what the mini ring light looks like. And this is perfect for if you're planning on going live, and I'm going to show you. So you put your phone on it, and I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want it to blind you guys. But yeah, so it's just something simple like this. And this one is just perfect for going live, or if you're working and you want to have people see what you do, or if you're doing some close-up YouTube videos, anything for that purpose. And also these ring lights are perfect for your pictures. So if you want good lighting on your hair, clothes, whatever you're selling, get the ring light and that'll be perfect for you. So the last item that I have on my list is just a light box. And this can be used like if you have small products like me, like I have lashes. So if you want to take some pictures of your lashes, it'll give you a clean white background look. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So this is the light box. And I actually got this from Amazon. So I'm going to post the link for this below as well. So what you'll do, like for me, like for my lashes, you'll just take it like this. And so it's not on right now. And it'll just do this. And I'll probably post a demonstration. Ooh. Yep, so it's something just simple like that. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And if I missed anything, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't already following me, go ahead and follow me on all my social media pages. It's I Am Destiny Adams on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.